Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kaylee. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am doing a voiceover for my intro today, which is a little strange, but my husband is on nights right now, so I'm trying to be quiet as he is in the other room next to me, still sleeping. For this video, I wanted to do two Valentine's Day looks for you, a daytime look and a nighttime look. So for the first look, the daytime look, this is going to be a more soft and subtle glam. I'm going to show you it right here. If you're wanting something softer or if you're going out during the day, this look is going to be for you. And for the second look, I'm going to do a little bit more dramatic. This look that I have on my eyes right now, this is for those a little bit more dramatic girls. If you're going out with your girlfriend or your man at night, this look is going to be for you. Whether your plans are by yourself, with your friends, or with your man, just remember that you are your own best Valentine. Self-love is so important. And if we're being honest, the best gifts are the ones that you buy for yourself. But whatever it is you're doing, I really hope that you guys have a super fun, safe Valentine's. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to click that link right down below. I would very much appreciate that. And if you're excited to see these two Valentine's Day looks, then please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, for the first look here, I am using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I am picking up the color Golden Ochre to start out. I'm taking this just above the crease and bringing it up towards the brow just so we can get a nice little transition going. And then going over to Bon Fresco, I'm switching over to the E25 brush from Sigma. This is one of my absolute favorite blending brushes. It just blends your eyeshadow so good. And we are taking this color into the crease and just above the crease and slowly starting to build it up little by little. And then switching over to this ColourPop pencil brush, I am sweeping the same color along the lower lash line. Going back to that E25 brush, we're dipping into the color Antique Bronze, and we're just going to use this to darken up the outer portion of the eye. And then quickly switching back over to the E40 brush, we're just going to do a quick little extra blend and make sure that everything's looking beautiful and seamless. Then going into the color Vermeer, I'm just using my finger to pick up this beautiful pinky gold shade, and we're going to take this all over the lid. I always like to do these kinds of colors, any kind of shimmery shade, I like to usually just go in with my finger. I think it gets a much more vibrant application and less fallout onto the face. Then picking up the color Tempera, we're taking this along the brow bone, and then going into the Carli Bybel palette, I'm taking this white highlighting shade into the inner corner. Taking this nude liner from Maybelline and Gigi Hadid, I'm going to highlight my waterline. And then using the Physicians Formula Black Pen Eyeliner, I'm going to take this just across the upper lash line just to give a little bit of definition there, and that's going to help to also disguise the lash band when we apply our lashes here in just a second. For mascara, we are using the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, one of my absolute favorite mascaras, and just doing a thin coat on the upper and lower lashes. For the lashes to complete this look, we are using the Ardell number 812. These just give a nice little bit of added volume and length without looking too over the top. Perfect for this look. To line the lips, we are using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the color Skimpy, my absolute favorite lip liner for almost any lipstick. And for the lips, we are using the color Stone by Dose of Colors. This is the perfect like mauve-y pink color that I knew would just tie this whole look together. Going back to the Carli Bybel palette, I'm mixing this pink shade with this white shade. We're going to highlight all over the face. And when we get to the cheeks, I'm going to pick up this dampened beauty sponge and just really kick it up a notch and highlight the highest points of the cheeks. So this does complete the daytime Valentine's Day look. Now for the nighttime look, I'm going to take off my lashes and my lipstick, and let's get started with the color Burnt Orange. And we're going to take this just above the crease and work it up towards the brow just like we did with the first shade in the last look. Then dipping into the color Love Letter, we're going to take this into the crease and really start developing that color. Little by little, I'm just adding that color, and we are again using that E25 brush from Sigma. Going into the Magic palette by Juvia's Place, we're taking the color Koji, this hot pink color, and I'm going to take it on the inner portion of the crease and drag it down into the inner corner of the eye. And then switching over to the E30 pencil brush from Sigma, I'm just going to really concentrate that color towards the inner corner and dragging it down. In preparation for the next color, I'm taking a little bit of loose setting powder and just kind of placing this on the outer edges of the eye to really prevent any extra fallout. And then I'm going into the color Ifa, I think is how you say it, but this is a really deep, beautiful, like a royal kind of purple color. It's really gorgeous, and we're going to take this on the outer corner of the eye, and we're dragging it out and up towards the tail end of the brow, and I'm just setting that color, and then I'm going in and blending it, and then adding a little more color and blending and back and forth until I get that color as bright and vibrant as I'm wanting it. Then picking up a clean blending brush, this is the M433 from Morphe. I'm just blending that pink and purple shade together, and then I'm going back and I'm deepening up that purple some more, and then I'm going back and I'm blending it some more. And then I am picking up the color Love Letter one more time and just merging those two colors together. So now we're done with the colored eyeshadow, and I'm just wiping away that powder and any of that fallout that we had on the face. And now we're going to do a half cut crease using the Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm taking this on a ColourPop domed eyeshadow brush, and I just found that these kind of brushes are really great to cut the crease, and I'm not that experienced with doing cut creases, so I'm just taking my time here little by little, carving out the crease to my natural crease line, and then I'm filling that in. And I found that Tarte Shape Tape works so good for cutting out the crease, especially for someone who's not that good at it, and I've tried lots of different products for this. Using that same brush, we're going into the color Tempera again, and I'm just going to quickly set that concealer in place while I do my other eye. I don't want it to move or crease or anything, so I'm just using that to set it, and then I'm going back in and blending a little bit with that purple. Going into this really beautiful cream satin shade, this is the color Acorn from ColourPop. I'm just going to take this all over where we just cut the crease. It just has a tiny bit of shimmer to it. It just has a really pretty finish to it. And then going back to Love Letter with that E30 pencil brush, we're going to take this along the lower lash line. And then I'm going into my Prism palette real quick and taking this black shade, this is called Obsidian, taking this along the lower lash line, just really close to the lashes. Then I'm going to go back with that pencil brush and just blend that black into the pink, just so that we can get a little bit more definition on the lower lash line. Going back to that Physicians Formula liquid liner, we are going to do a massive winged liner. So we're taking this just under that purple shade, kind of following along the line that we created with that purple eyeshadow, and then filling that in. And then we're going to touch up our mascara here, and then for lashes we are using the Arson lashes. You can get these from Amazon. They're my absolute favorite. For lipstick, we are using the NYX matte lipstick in the color Spirit. Just a beautiful nude cream lipstick to finish off this look. And this does complete our more dramatic Valentine's Day look. What do you guys think? I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe before you leave if you're not already. I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I'll see you in my next video.